Phelicia Dell. How are you?
Hey, I'm fine, thank you. And I'm saying a big hello to all the fans of HaitiXchange.
All right, thank you very much. Now, where are we? What is this? What are you doing here?
Well, I'm actually at my workplace where you can see we are still working on the tent here. We're just having fun here. This is Collection VèVè.
Now, how did Collection VèVè start? What's your background? What gave you this idea?
It's a long story, but I would tell you that, you know, being an artist, it's come from, it's within. So this is how it all started, by being an artist, first of all.
But you're an artist. What gave you the idea for these creations, which I personally think are very unique, very authentic? When I see them, not only are they unique, but they remind me of Haiti. It's very Haitian. So how did you come up with that, and when did you realize you had a hit? I
guess it's the need of really presenting the art, the craft of Haiti at a different aspect, different level. And I always want to, you know, be in the spotlight. I said, well, this is how bring Haiti's craft in the spotlight and in the international market. This is what I'm interested in, and this is how I started working, as you can see in the background with these guys here, working with me. So, and this is it. I mean, just wanting to put Haiti in the spotlight, really picture, just have a different look at our craft here in Haiti, and this is how, you know, this all got started.
Can you talk to us about a little bit about what you have on the table here and the process you take to actually create these, which I think are all unique.
Well, yes, my bags at Collection VèVè, they are all unique pieces. Like you can see this one, I attach a chain to it. I use the African fabric matched with the jute, and to produce this with the VèVè of Ogu. This represents the VèVè of Ogu. And what you see on the table is the artwork where we're going to be attaching to the cut and to give you this bag.
Now,
here.
These are all done separately, or are these done by
separately?
The guys I see
everything is done separately.
Everything is done separately, yes. And it's brought together.
Yes, yes. So the design and the artwork and all the, you know.
Now these are beads, basically, that are all individually sewn on.
Yes, yes.
And what kind of fabric do you?
I use all kinds of fabrics. Decorative fabrics. What you're looking at, this is a collection I'm going to be working on for a fair that we'll have soon in Miami in June. This is practically what I'm going to be using to work on that collection. Okay. What I really want people to know is that I'm doing my best to build up the value of our Haitian craft here, and I just want them to keep promoting and keep really supporting the different artisans here in Haiti. By purchasing the products of VèVè collections, you are also helping families, because all these workers, they have families they're supporting, and by you purchasing my craft, you're helping all the artisans working at VèVè collections and supporting their families also.
Phelicia Dell of Collection VèVè, thank you very, very much.
A big thank you to HaitiXchange.
You're welcome.